Not the most practical spot, but I plan to put all my new and unused makeup in here. Okay, I just went ahead and organized all of my back stock for my skincare. Yes, it's a lot. I have it all separated like by cleanser, serums, everything in categories. Yes, it's a lot. I do work at Ulta. A lot of this was either purchased with my own money, it was gratis, or the brand sent it to me. So that is why I have an excessive amount of things. Okay, so the problem is I'm literally just a girl. I don't know how I'm going to be able to lift all this stuff and put it together, but we're gonna try. Okay, this is the easy part, just moving these. This can be done in like a minute, less than 60 seconds. One and done, one and done. This is what we're rocking with. I need the thing that goes on top now. That's the hardest part. This is the most difficult thing ever. Oh my God. All I do is choose struggle. So this is just a reminder that you too can do anything you set your mind to. Oh, maybe if all this shit was out of the way. Okay. Who needs a man? I did that all by myself. Thank you. Okay, skincare and hair care is organized. Yeah! Woo! We're ready! Woo, woo, woo!
My once plans and dreams, your voice is chasing me. Wanna set it in me. These wounds won't seem to heal.
Wait, my hair's all dirty.
I used yours when you had it.
I know, it would always
Current goal is to get these tubs organized into here. Let's see if I can do it. Okay, I started off with categorizing, so hopefully that makes it easier. This is the state of my room. I'm feeling unwell. I bought this candle for my work, and it smells really good. It's a calming aromatherapy candle. The scent is honey and vanilla. I love both of those scents.
Okay. I don't want to
Smell.
eliminate this area, and I don't want to eliminate that area.
Smells
And
good.
I know someone's being really savvy.
Boom. I'm doing my closet. As you can see, it's a lot emptier. These are all cardigans that I have to go through. I genuinely don't think I've ever seen my closet this empty. It's insane. This is my second purge bag. This bag's huge, so it's been holding everything that I've kept. And then that's my pile. I feel like I've been tasked with the very hard task of getting these magic key passes, although it is my choosing. It opens up at 8:45. It's 8:44. Very stressed. Very stressed. I need to do this. Okay, my wait time being only 12 minutes seems really suspicious because I did get in this queue really late, and I see bad things in my future regarding this. I have the largest Gratis haul. I got the Grande Brow Laminate, Grande Lash Enhancing Serum, and Grande Brow Enhancing Serum. Got little mini Morphe Puffs. New Morphe blush in the shade Beach Bonfire. Morphe luggage tag. This cutie little silicone Morphe bag. Okay, I got Creme Vanille from the Le Monde Gourmand perfume brand. Mini Divi scalp serum. Samples from Divi. Got some Travel Charlotte Tilbury. It's the setting spray and the mascara. Drunk Elephant mineral cream. It's an SPF. I got some Sacred, the clarifying shampoo. I've been wanting to buy this. It's the new Kitsch hair perfume in the scent Pistachio Latte. Mitchell sensitive smoothing serum. Mini pharmacy cleansing balm. A mini Verb hydrate hair oil. I love Verb for hair product. Little bag. This is from Tree Hut. This is new. I've never seen this. Is it just a... I think it's just a gua sha, but I've never seen it from Tree Hut before. I haven't seen this before, but this is exciting. This is from Dry Bar. It's the Blowout Defense. It's a blowout accelerator spray. Bag from Jimmy Choo. Ooh, it's a mini Jimmy Choo I Want You. I got the Bondi Boost Rapid Repair Bond Builder Leave-In Mask. Mario Badescu Vitamin C Serum. The Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm from Vanilla Co. The Hypochlorous Acid from Mario Badescu. And then I did get introduced to the account executive today at work from Charlotte Tilbury, and she made a little goodie bag for me, so that's really exciting. I got a Charlotte Tilbury claw clip. Okay. I have not tried these before. My sister has one and it's actually pretty good. It's a Charlotte Tilbury contour wand in the shade Fair Medium. Got the 90s pink rose gloss and rose lipstick duo. Oh my gosh. This is so exciting. Blush and Glow Glide palette. I love blush. I got a Beauty Light wand in the shade Spotlight. I think this is a highlighting wand, so I'm very excited about that. Been wanting to try this. It's a full size of the new Exaggerize mascara. It is a volumizing mascara, so it does make me a little nervous. I'm usually a lengthening mascara kind of gal, but I've heard nothing but good things about that. I already have some of these, but I'm so excited to have more. I love these clips for putting my hair back when I do my makeup. They're perfect. Last but not least, a little mini setting spray. All in all, what a great Gratis haul. So excited. Also, while we're here, can I just say I'm really happy to be posting on YouTube again. They are just silly little videos with a bunch of silly little clips mashed together, but it's really fun. It's giving me something to do, and I think my family likes watching them because me and my sister aren't going to be living anywhere near home anymore. So it kind of keeps them in the loop of what we're up to, you know? So on that note, see you in next week's vlog.